Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get free stuff on Shein. So without further ado, let's get started. The first option that you have is to go to Shein's free trial program because it gives customer a chance to receive clothes for free in exchange for a product review. So click this free trial center and you can just simply find the product that you want and just click the free trial, and you can also choose your clothing size, and then after that they will ask for your email and then click submit. Now, if you're chosen to get free products, Shein will email you and send a push notification through their app. Alternatively, check your product status under My Applications if it says approved. But if you don't receive your order within 30 days, contact Shein's customer service. Now, you can also review your past purchases to earn points for new clothes. If you post a review for an item you've bought, Shein gives you 5 points that you can use towards any future purchase. I think 1 point is about $0.01. Now you can also press the check-in button on the home screen to earn Shein points. 1 point is worth $0.01, but you can receive 73 points if you check in for 7 consecutive days. So once you earn enough points to get the clothes that you want, apply them to your order on the checkout page. Now you can also tune in into Shein's live to receive points and free shipping. So every Wednesday, Shein's hosts a live stream where they offer exclusive freebies and free shipping. They host this event on their app at random times, so turn on your notifications so you can tune in on time. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.